Assalamualaikum and hello YouTube, my name is Nur Muhammad from Watch, and we are back with another unboxing of a Ciga Design. Right, so let's do a quick swatch check. So today I'm wearing my Cadison 8200, a watch that is supposed to be designed by Germany designers. So yeah, this is it's not an exact homage or something, but rather a quick I think a unique look or unique twist to the stainless steel integrated bracelet watch. And it's I've done a first look video for this particular piece, so please do check it out. Right, so the story is that I've reviewed a Ciga Design before. I think it was the X series, and I don't know how, but Ciga Design noticed my video and said, hey man, we like your video, so why do you want to do you want to review our watch? And of course I said yes. Right, so but after, let's cue the intro. Okay guys, so welcome back to the unboxing or the initial review of this awesome Ciga Design. Right, so this is the packaging that you will get when you order the watch. Mine came from Hong Kong. So okay, so oh my god, so it comes with this nice, very simple packaging here, a flat packaging. Right, so okay, so let's just take it off. So very nice looking packaging here, guys. So I just love how this Ciga Design managed to package it very attractive packaging. German Design Award winner 2020. Wow, that's nice. So this let's see what you can see at the back. So Ciga Design Ciga Mechanical Watch Z Series Black. So great superior. I have no idea what is that supposed to mean. QC Pass, Ciga Design official. Yeah, so you should just check out their social media pages. Right, so let's just take it off from the sleeve, and there we have another inner sleeve, skeleton watch Z series or Z series. So again, German Design Award winner 2020. Right, so we have a few born for original design and live to pursue the art of machine aesthetics. Right, so yeah, you can already see the watch there. Very nice, and all they've displayed all the awards. So this Red Dot Design Award, or even GPHG pre-selection awards that they have managed to get. So yeah, that's very nice. Audible heartbeat of a machine. Let's see what is available at the back before we see the watch. Looking glass, curved synthetic sapphire crystal, blah blah blah. All of these are the the specification. Oh, Seagull AAA class self-winding mechanical movement. Now I know the the movement name ST2553JK. Right, all the specs are here if you want to pause it, so you can do that. So yeah, get your watch ready, blah blah blah. Take out the watch head, so a nice instruction. And at the back, they even have this operation manual. Right, so how to operate the watch. Lack of power, red circle loose. Alright, so full power, red circles tighten. That's nice. And set the times, how to set the time, how to install the watch head. And yeah, this is quite nice if you are a novice or new to the hobby. Daily maintenance, and also the designer Mr. Jiang Min, founder of Ciga Design. Right, so he even signed the box, so that's quite nice. What we have here, we have this warranty card after sales service. It is guaranteed for 12 months, so that's very good. Okay, so let's take off the watch and stop yapping, and let's see. So this is the watch. So it came with a tool strap. Right, so we've got a silicone strap here, and also the my god, what is this? Leather. Is it leather? Right, so it says genuine leather. Right, so but yeah, I don't know, guys. It feels very stiff. I don't think it is going to be that comfortable, but let's just put it back inside the box, and let's stick with the silicone, shall we? Alright, so let's just take it off the frame here and leave it there, like so. Okay, so to start using the watch, so you just have to use this quick release pins and put it on the correct side of the watch. Right, so this is the bottom side of the strap. Yeah, easy enough. let's get to the upper side of the strap. Okay, like so, and boom, you are good to go. So that's nice. Okay, so let's just do a quick dimension check of this particular piece. I'm so sorry guys, I just feel weird today. So this features a barrel of tonneau style case, but it's quite unique. I don't really know how to measure this one. Maybe you should exclude this crown guard-ish thingy. Right, so let's just measure from here to here, right? So that is about 40.8. So let's just call it 41 mil in diameter. You know, so, and a lug to lug of about 48 millimeters, so that is nice, and a thickness of about 12.6 or 12.7. Let's just move it off a bit, and 12.7 millimeters in thickness. And the crown size, right? So crown size is about 5.4 millimeters, so that is okay. And a lug width of 22 millimeters. So yeah, that makes it easy to swap out if you don't swap out the strap if you don't like the supplied strap. Right, so on this silicone strap or even on the leather strap, it will weigh at about, let's just see how much does it weigh. About 93 grams, so that's nice. And let's just test out this sapphire crystal. Right, so let's just test out the sapphire crystal. Yep, that's basically sapphire crystal. What about at the back? No, it is just a normal mineral crystal, so that's good. If there is any loom, I don't think so, guys. You know what, let's just put it, boom. Nope, you are out of luck, so there's no loom whatsoever. But anyway, this is a skeletonized dial, so you don't really need loom, right? So okay, so let's just take all of this outside of the frame. Okay, so skeletonized dial. I am not a big fan of skeletonized dial, but this is different, right? So you can almost see everything inside this movement. So I think Ciga maybe has custom made this for Ciga Design. I'm not really sure about that, but of course they mentioned that this is a Ciga movement. So even I think the bridges, all of these bridges are basically made for this watch. They even have, if you see at the back, so you can see that red what do you call it, movement holder, right? So on the bottom of the side of the case, so that is definitely made from plastic. And yeah, I mean, maybe it is to absorb some shock, and now I understand. The movement is this one, right? So the movement holder, aka the frame, I'm not really sure, but yeah, still very, very nicely designed, I think, in my opinion. And yeah, the rotor is unfortunately not signed, but you know what, when you can see quite a lot of the movement the rotor becomes secondary, right? So at the back we have this Ciga Design logo on the 3 o'clock. I think that is applied, and the hands, right, skeletonized our hand, and also that minute and our hands, right? So let's just hack this movement. I think I could hack this, right? So it is a hacking movement. Let's just do that 10-10 position. It's quite difficult to see 10-10 because yeah, you don't really, do you have a minute track here? So that's very nice. So that is much easier to see compared to the what was it, the X series. So that one doesn't have any minute track whatsoever, so this one has a minute track, so that's good. What else? We have those minute track is basically in silver, painted silver. Yeah, painted silver with this black printing on each of these hour markers, so that's good. Yeah, since there's no loom, so yeah, you can't really see this thing in the dark, so it doesn't really matter if the hour markers is black, so I don't really mind it. Alright, so hacking movement, so that's very good. So the crown, right? So you see that red, what do you call that, red tube inside there. So yeah, I don't think it has any any functions whatsoever. If they don't have that red tube, it would look a bit weird, because it's just a crown stamp. So yeah, that is a nice touch from Ciga Design. Right, so you see when I push the crown, push the this non-screw down crown, so the movement starts again. So that's very nice. It's, you know, it's really interesting to see this what do you call this, balance wheel spinning around, right? So yeah, that's really nice. So yeah, you can see the spring, right? So it's already already full power reserve, right? So yeah, all stainless steel at the back, water resistant, 380 m. So I would not bring this to shower anytime soon because it has 380 m. Also, they just use this the normal screws there. So yeah, I'm not gonna be doing that, right? So let's just put it on wrist. Take off this Ciga Design 8200 off the wrist. And see, oh, I forgot to talk about the strap. So this is a silicone strap. You can see here that we have a unique texture with this circle texture here, and at the bottom side we have an almost similar pattern here, so that, you know, when you use it won't flop around. So that is good. And yeah, we have this Ciga Design branding on the top side of the strap. But the unique feature we have even a sign buckle. Unique feature of this particular keeper is that we have these tabs here, right, like that. So when you put it on the wrist, my wrist is 6.75 inch wrist, or 17 centimeters for your information. So you can put it maybe I am on the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, ninth hole there, so not really much room left for maybe people with 8 inch wrist or 8.5 inch wrist would struggle to use this particular strap. But when you use you can just, when you strap it on, you can just slide through this keeper here and slide through this keeper here, and then this bit won't flop around. So that is very, very good, right? So yep, it looks a bit too big on my wrist, but still I don't really mind it. Oh, I totally forgot about that. Let's talk about that Ciga Design signed side case there. Unique feature, but I don't really mind it. Some people might hate it, but yeah, still it is a, you know what, some kind, you're not gonna be wearing this Ciga Design to be, you know, subtle or to be looking classy, right? So when you wear this thing, it's kind of like hey man, look at me, I am beautiful kind of watch, right? So yeah, there's nothing subtle about this. It's very, very, I know, it's very, very attractive, and definitely a, you know, a conversation starter, right? So there you have it, guys. There you have it, my initial or first look video of this particular Ciga Design Z series. So if you guys have any questions whatsoever, so please do let me know in the comment section below. And that's about it. So if you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you want to see more future videos such as this one, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'll see you soon. Stay safe and bye bye.